Kingsong F22 Pro. The Kingsong F22 Pro is a high-performance electric unicycle (EUC) that pushes the boundaries of personal electric transportation. Equipped with a 5500W rated motor and a peak power output of 12,000W, it delivers rapid acceleration and exceptional hill climbing capabilities. Xpeng Aero HT eVTOL Flying Car. The Xpeng Aero HT eVTOL flying car represents a significant advancement in urban air mobility, blending traditional automotive design with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. Unveiled at the Consumer Electronics Show, CES 2025, this innovative vehicle, dubbed the Land Aircraft Carrier, showcases Xpeng's commitment to pioneering the future of transportation. Design and features. The Aero HT's design integrates seamlessly with urban environments, functioning as a conventional electric vehicle on roads while possessing the ability to transition into flight mode. This modular approach allows for versatility in both ground and aerial travel, addressing the growing demand for efficient urban transportation solutions. ILY-A. The ILY-A, Innovative Life for You, Active, is a versatile personal mobility device developed collaboratively by Asian Psyche Company Limited and the Future Robotics Technology Center, FURO, at Chiba Institute of Technology. Unveiled in 2015, this three-wheeled electric vehicle is designed to cater to a wide demographic, from youth to active seniors, by adapting to various mobility needs compact and safe, approximately the size of a baby stroller. The ILY-A is equipped with advanced robotics-based intelligent safety features. These systems enable the device to detect both stationary and moving obstacles, automatically adjusting speed and applying brakes as necessary to prevent collisions. Quintessenza Concept. The eVTOL design Quintessenza Concept, unveiled at Auto China 2024, exemplifies a harmonious fusion of dynamic performance and versatile functionality. This innovative vehicle seamlessly blends the attributes of a Grand Tourer GT with the practicality of a pickup truck, offering a unique automotive experience. Design and versatility. The Quintessenza's design philosophy centers on adaptability and user experience. It comfortably accommodates 4 passengers, with rear seats capable of rotating 180 degrees, enabling occupants to enjoy panoramic views and stargazing opportunities. Performance and innovation. Initially, the Quintessenza was equipped with a powertrain delivering 778 horsepower. However, recent advancements have significantly boosted its performance. The latest iteration boasts 4 in-wheel electric motors utilizing ILY-A's cutting-edge technology, collectively producing an astounding 2,145 horsepower. KAERI Robot Labs Hoverboard. The KAERI Robot Lab, in collaboration with the Daegu Gyeongbuk Institute of Science and Technology, DGIST, has developed an innovative off-the-ground personal mobility system, often referred to as a hoverboard. (3D printed electric car). The integration of 3D printing technology in the automotive industry has led to the development of innovative electric vehicles, EVs, that are both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. One notable example is the Yo-Yo by XEV, an Italian electric vehicle startup. Unveiled in 2022, the Yo-Yo is a compact urban EV with a top speed of approximately 43 miles per hour and a range of 90 miles. Its design emphasizes sustainability and affordability, with a price point around €10,000 in Italy. In the UK, XEV plans to introduce the Yo-Yo Pro, a variant tailored for the local market. Priced at £15,000, the Yo-Yo Pro aims to compete with budget EVs like the Dacia Spring and Citroën Ami. It features a 20-brake horsepower rear-mounted electric motor, achieving speeds up to 50 miles per hour and offering a range of 93 miles. Kiwano K01. The Kiwano K01 is a distinctive monowheel electric scooter that merges innovative design with advanced technology, offering a unique urban transportation solution. Unlike traditional scooters, the K01 features a single, wide tire and a minimalist frame, resembling a pogo stick with a wheel. Equipped with a self-balancing system, the K01 allows riders to control acceleration and braking through subtle body movements, eliminating the need for manual throttles or brake levers. The scooter boasts a top speed of 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour, and a range of up to 20 miles, 32 kilometers, on a single charge, with a rapid 1-hour recharge time. Constructed with a carbon fiber frame, the K01 is both lightweight and durable, supporting riders up to 265 pounds, 120 kilograms. Walkcar. The Walkcar, developed by Coco Motors in Japan, is a compact personal transporter designed to offer a convenient alternative for short-distance travel. Resembling the size of a laptop, it weighs approximately 2.9 kilograms, 6.4 pounds, making it highly portable and easy to carry in a backpack. Constructed from durable aluminum, the Walkcar can support riders weighing up to 120 kilograms, 265 pounds. It achieves a top speed of 10 kilometers per hour, 6.2 miles per hour, and can travel distances up to 12 kilometers, 7.4 miles, on a single charge, with a charging time of approximately 3 hours. Operating the Walkcar is intuitive. Riders simply stand on the device to start moving and step off to stop. Steering is controlled by shifting body weight, similar to riding a skateboard. Its compact size and user-friendly design make it suitable for navigating urban environments and crowds. SeaBubbles. SeaBubbles, a French innovator in zero-emission hydrofoil technology, has made significant strides in sustainable maritime mobility. In September 2024, the company introduced the Smart Bubble, an advanced flying boat designed to carry up to 8 passengers at speeds of 16 knots, approximately 30 kilometers per hour. Blizwheel E-Scooter. The Blizwheel E-Scooter is a groundbreaking personal electric vehicle designed for urban commuters seeking unparalleled portability and convenience. Its ultra-thin, foldable design allows it to fit seamlessly into Toyota FE2. The Toyota FE2 is a futuristic concept vehicle unveiled at the 2013 Tokyo Motor Show, embodying Toyota's vision of an emotionally connected driving experience. This single-occupant vehicle emphasizes a unique integration between driver and Segway Mini Pro. The Segway Mini Pro, introduced in 2016, is a self-balancing personal transporter developed by Ninebot, a company that acquired Segway in 2015. Designed to offer a more advanced and safer alternative to traditional hoverboards, the Mini Pro combines innovative technology with user-friendly features. Key features: design and build.